Hello everybody, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. What do we got here today? It's something that is already out for a while. I'm showing it because a lot of you guys cannot come to the shop right now and only coming for pickups and asking me what we have new that they can look at. So what we got here, it's a Horizon Hobby. Now they're on the Axial, so this is the Axial Wraith. And what it is, it's a rock crawler that it's really cool. This is the Wraith 1.9 1/10 scale electric rock crawler. It's a four-wheel drive. It's kind of realistic looking vehicle. When you flip it down, you see it's actually really cool. Really, on the front over here you can see that the steering servo is kind of hidden and everything, so you don't see it. It's really cool. Seems to have working light. And it's come with a remote. You're gonna need a battery and a charger for it, of course, and it's doing something really cool. On the front here they put those pins, and I say, okay, are those pins to remove the body? So I remove those pins out and I say the body is not coming out. And if you just put your nails underneath it kind of and push it, you open the hood. It's have actually a hood, and what it's have inside is a motor. It's heavy here, kind of like a look like a Jeep kind of Hemi style motor looking like, and you're gonna put your battery right there, so you have it front heavy. It's actually really cool, and they did like a fake transmission and all the other thing, and the shocks over here look like Fox shocks, but they're not, they're just plastic one. It's really cool. Rock rollers, to consider that people start doing opening hood on this is really cool. And there is another light connection inside that probably can get connected to anything else. Let me just show what I'm talking about. Right there is a couple other connection, probably can fit for other lights and other instrument that you can hook up. And this is a really cool rock crawler. If you compare it to other companies right now that have stuff that look like it, it's gonna be like they're probably the Red Cat Racing Scout or their Wendigo. They look very similar to this. This is brushed electric rock crawler, and again this one is a 1/10 scale, and look, when you close it, it's not gonna open back up. On the bottom of it, I just want to show, they make the transmission, the motor is right there, but then they make the transmission actually look realistic. I really like when companies go ahead and do that. It's EC3 connector for the batteries, so you're gonna need a lithium battery or a nickel metal battery. Inside the driver, they make a driver with a helmet. It's a kind of off-road helmet. His head can move. Is really cool, with a seat belt with the name of the brand on it. And I'm trying to figure out if there is a way to remove actually the body, but it's kind of literally bolt on with the screws, so this is kind of, it's going to be pretty problem to remove it. Just want to show you a quick glance of this video of this vehicle we have available right now at MotoStyles.